Guys, today's lecture about Lycidas written by John Milton. Lycidas written by John Milton in 1637. John Milton is one of the most great and popular poet after Shakespeare. John Milton was born in Breed Street in London 9 December 1608. John Milton acquired his bachelor degree in 1629 from Cambridge University. John Milton started poetry in very early age in his school time. His first poetry is Ode of a Death of Infant. It was a poetry about little Gerda, that story. After that, his poetry career was started. Milton was married with Mary Powell, but his marriage is not being successful due to age issue. After that, Milton married again. Milton lost his vision being blindless in 1644, and after that he wrote the most adorable work is Paradise Lost. So about Lycidas. Lycidas was written in 1637. Lycidas is a pastoral poetry. It was sad poetry which was written by Milton to his best friend Edmund King, who was classmate of Milton in Cambridge University. Edward King was drowned due to ship breakage, so the Milton remained his memory with King. It is also pastoral legacy placed in a rural setting. In King is even envisaged as having been a shepherd living in nature. Much of the poem is spoken by an imaged uncouth swain or shepherd's friend of King's lamenting his death. The poem, which was written for a volume of elegy on King, is in the pastoral tradition. On Milton pictures King and himself as companion shepherds or poets. Actually, King was a very mediocre versifier, being the author of nothing more than a few inconsequential Latin poems. Besides being a lament of King, Lycidas is also a satire on the clergy. It brings Milton's contention that England was betrayed by her intellectual. Lycidas is also about Milton himself, his poetical failure, and his presentations of the greater things to come. He began the poem by saying that he is going to plunk barrier of the loyal, the mitral, and a we all symbol for the composition of poetry. So that's all about Lycidas. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and comment. Thank you for watching my channel.